In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add background image on Wix Studio. While Wix Studio doesn't let you set a single image as the background for an entire page or your whole site, it does give you full control over the background of each individual section. That's how layout and design are organized in Wix Studio. You build your page in stacked sections, and each section can have its own visual style. This approach actually gives you more flexibility because you can vary the look from section to section or keep it consistent across the page. Your choice. Here's how to do it in a clean, reliable way. First, click the section you want to style on your canvas to select it. A section is the horizontal band that holds your content. Think of it as a slice of your page. With the section selected, open the inspector pane. This is the panel on the right where you control design and layout settings for whatever is selected. In the inspector, go to Design, then open the background settings for that section. Now, click Add Image or Video. This is where you'll choose what appears behind your content in that section. Select and upload your image from your device, or choose one you've already added to your media library. Once you confirm your choice, the image will appear as the section's background. And there you go. Your section now has a background image applied, exactly where you want it. If you want the same look throughout your page, simply repeat this process on each section you need. Because backgrounds are section-based in Wix Studio, applying the image to multiple sections is how you create a consistent, full-page look. A few quick tips to help your background look great. Choose images with a clear focal point and some open space so your text and buttons remain readable. Aim for a high-quality file that's optimized, large enough to look crisp, but compressed enough to keep your site loading quickly. Keep contrast in mind. Dark text over a light background, or light text over a darker background, tends to be the most legible. Also think about different screen sizes. Background images can crop slightly on narrower devices, so images with center-focused subjects generally work best. That's all there is to it. Even though you can't set a single page-wide background image in Wix Studio, applying a background to each section gives you precise control over your design. Try it on one section, see how it looks, and then carry the same approach across the rest of your page as needed.